Vivo Y400 Pro could be unveiled soon in India as its key specifications and design have surfaced online through alleged marketing images. The leaked promotional materials suggest a hole-punch display and a dual rear camera unit on the handset. It could also feature an IR blaster. This is the Vivo Y400 Pro hands-on first look. The Vivo Y400 Pro is tipped to feature a 6.77-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The display could offer 4,500 nits peak brightness. The handset is said to be equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. Run Android 15-based FunTouch 15. The rear camera unit of the phone is said to include a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor and a 2-megapixel shooter. A 32-megapixel front camera. It is likely to pack a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 90W charging. The Vivo Y400 Pro is said to debut in the 25,000 rupees price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.